Here is the news from the world of geopolitics. Donald Trump's Iran plan has been leaked, and Khamenei has challenged the US. Well, the tension in the Middle East just went next level. Donald Trump has reportedly ordered his national security team that any action against Iran must be fast, decisive, and devastating. No long wars. Trump wants a strike that hits Iran really hard and that too immediately, but he doesn't want the US dragged into another endless Middle East conflict. The message is clear: crush the regime and do it quickly. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Triti Yatri, and if we flip the coin, then Iran isn't backing down. Their supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has dared Washington. Reports say that his response it could be summed up as bring it on. No diplomacy, no soft warnings. Just a direct challenge to the world's most powerful military. Let me tell you what's really happening behind closed doors. Trump's team is reportedly refining military options. Every possibility is being calculated: how to strike hard without sparking the uncontrollable escalation, how to avoid catastrophic chain reaction across the region. Iran is in turmoil right now. Massive protests, they are rocking Iranian cities. Tens of thousands are demanding change while the regime clamps down. And in the meantime, tensions with the US continue to rise, creating an explosive mix here. So the big question is, how far will Washington go? Officials, they are divided. No one knows how Iran will respond. Missiles, proxy attack, cyber strike, every move could ignite a regional conflict unlike anything that we have seen before. So here's what you need to know. This isn't speculation, this is a real life calculation inside the Washington here. Trump wants impact. Khamenei dares retaliation. The Middle East is on the knife's edge. So in the end, every missile, every strategy, every decision could reshape the entire region. And the world is watching because if miscalculations strike, there will be no going back.